Hello everyone, I am Dr. Amita Sharma, postdoc from Netherlands and working as assistant professor at Institute of Agribusiness Management, Bikaner. I bring this micro-learning series to learn machine learning with R. So let's get started. Today we will learn how to install libraries in RStudio workspace. Libraries are bundle of functional programs that perform set of functions. When you do any machine learning project, you need many libraries to perform machine learning tasks. When any library is not already installed, you cannot use the functions contained in that library. So let's take example of ggplot2 library. ggplot2 library is used to create visualizations. This library is used very frequently to create basic to advanced level visualization. So let us learn how to install ggplot2 library. One way to install library is to go to Tools tab, click on Install Packages. You will see this dialog box appears. Here you can select Install from Repository CRAN and Package Archive file. Repository CRAN is a comprehensive R archive network. It is a central software repository supported by the R Foundation. It contains an archive of the latest and previous versions of R distribution, documentation, and contributed R packages. In Packages option, you can write one or more R library packages name that you want to install. So let's write here ggplot2 and caret. After selecting the libraries to be installed, from Install to Library option, you can choose destination folder or keep the default folder. Under this, you can check dependencies to install supporting libraries along with your desired library. It is advisable to check install dependencies. Now you can click on install and you will see the console. In console, the process of installation. Depending upon library size, it may take from few seconds to a few minutes. Once library installation is complete, you will see no error in the console. Now you can use library in your workspace by using command library name. So let's write here library ggplot2. Enter. Now you can use ggplot2 library. So today we learned about installing packages. So today's micro learning is complete. Stay tuned. Bye.